Ah. If you didn't know already, the Flat Thunder truck, the 83 F150 flatbed, we were planning on rebuilding that truck a long time ago. We picked up the replacement cab 3 years ago, and then these remanufactured fenders we picked up off a Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist. I don't even remember which one at this point in time. Probably around 5 years ago. So we got these brand new fenders. The person we purchased them from had them in a barn. He planned on rebuilding, I think, a Bronco, similar vintage, and he never did it. I acquired them for about, I don't know, half price. So I got both fenders for the price of one, and they've been sitting in my way ever since. Right now what we need to do, we need to lightly sand them, clean up a few surface rust areas, and cut these things in. The passenger side one, still got the sticker on it. Whatever this means. COPPA certified part 1488382, whatever that means. Then we got a little bit of the light surface rust in here. It's made in Taiwan. We'll just get that sticker off of there. Protector foam pieces from shipping. The bottom edge here has got a little bit of surface rust on it. We'll clean that up and paint that. But all in all, pretty nice fender. I'm going to scuff the whole thing with a 3M or Scotch-Brite pad, as I like to call it. We got it all cleaned up, we got it scuffed up. I went after the heavier surface rust or little spots on there. We had a lot at the bottom with some heavier grade sandpaper. And I'm stepping a little bit out of my comfort zone here. I usually never stray away from Duplicolor, but yeah, we needed some paint and I didn't see any available. We got the Krylon Touch. This is a Fusion all-in-one matte ink blue paint and primer. I didn't even notice that when I bought it. I just went for the color, and hopefully this will be decent enough to blend in there in the engine compartment and look at least like we were trying a little bit. So I'm gonna shake this up. We're gonna blast this on here. Gee, I don't know. It didn't quite match the same color as the cap. Unless it darkens up a little bit as it dries, maybe it will, but I thought this was more of a darker navy blue.
To be in the video.
Come on over here. The foreman wanted to be in the video. She was watching me paint these fenders. What do you think of this Krylon paint? Does this cap match the color that's on the fender? It's stinky. It's really stinky. Does the color match?
Yeah.
It does match? Well, the foreman says it matches, so that's all I need, I guess. Now we're ready to get these fenders on the old truck, and we don't have to worry as much as I'm rusting out as quickly. And we don't have to worry as much as I'm... She's got rocks. We don't have to worry as much as I'm rusting out quickly with that crappy primer that was on these fenders when we first started. Give them a thumbs up. Yeah!